Thank you for clicking through to get more information about my new announcement, Manager Rescue. If you're a manager, if you lead people, if you know someone, work with someone who leads people, who deserves to win, then Manager Rescue is for them. Manager Rescue is my new training program. I decided to take the techniques, concepts, and principles that I've been using to pour into managers that I've been working with that has gotten tremendous results over and over again all over the country. I decided to put the 10 most powerful principles in one of my training programs called Manager Rescue. I did that because more than 80% of managers who are working today are working as failures. They may still be in their job, but they're underperforming. And they don't have a choice. They haven't worked with someone that really poured into them about how it gets done on purpose. Now, you may not know me, and why in the world should you even listen to me? This may be the first time we've met. Well, I've been a very successful manager with ABC and Disney. I was a president and general manager with ABC, Disney, and ESPN branded companies. And I was able to turn around difficult situations for them and for Radio One and for other companies. Matter of fact, the most difficult operations that ABC had were given to me, and I was able to get them turned around. One in particular was the lowest rated radio station in the market. It had lost money for 10 years straight. Everything and everyone they threw at it, it just didn't work. So they decided to give it to Jones. They gave it to me, and we were able to get it profitable within a year and take that lowest rated operation and make it one of the top 3 operations in the market in just a few years. Something that hasn't been done since. Now, did I do that? I got the accolades for it, but I didn't do it. My team did it. And I was able to replicate that success over and over. Even the US government came to me as a consultant and asked me to help them because operations around the world have to be successful for democracy, including media. So the US government hired me to train managers who were leaving totalitarian state operations and privatizing, and they needed to know how to be successful managers and leaders. And so I taught managers in Central and South America, Africa, Asia, and Europe. They flew me into Moscow and had managers from all over Russia come to experience my training programs to help them understand the 10 principles and more that I'm going to share with you. This is why you want this, because it is proven, because it grows good people who grow good people. So I don't get these things done. I make sure I put a team together, energize them, direct them, help them be great. And that's how you want to be. You want to be the self-manager that does that. That's what this program will do. So thank you for checking on my story and why I'm doing this. And you just click through, make sure I have your email, and as soon as we have the release date, I'll let you know, because Manager Rescue is for you if you're a manager who deserves star power.